John. Thanks a million for this, and we'll keep in touch. Is there a particular website you would like to direct our listeners to?
Yes, I would direct people to akafan.org. Please be patient. The person who used to help us, who was doing a brand new website for us, is stuck in Haiti. He's also the guy who produces all my CDs. He is coming back, but he wants to stay in Haiti now. He's a Canadian citizen. He could have come, but he decided to stay to participate in the rescue mission. And that's one of the things. You're not hearing those stories on CDC Radio Canada. Radio Canada, in fact, on the English side, I've been receiving calls all over the place. I don't call the media. They have been calling me. You won't hear one French interview of me on Radio Canada because I have been telling them that the stories that they've been propagating, the propaganda, Frederick Nikolov, one of the star journalists of Radio Canada, found nothing better to do yesterday than to go when people were taking their loved ones under the rubble, take his microphone and ask these people bleeding, hungry and thirsty, and ask them, don't you think it's a good idea for us to come and occupy your country now? This is what a journalist is doing at Radio Canada, and we denounce it. And we're going to continue to denounce it, and we know that there are other outlets like what you're doing, Brother Charles, where we are going to speak truth. And when the beautiful people of Canada find out the truth, I have lived that generosity all over the place, man. At my workplace, they're giving me time. A lot of people in Canada are going to wake up to this, and the generosity of the Canadian people will find its match, and we're going to force the Canadian government to do the right thing.